How much should you actually spend on natural laundry detergent? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Molly Suds Liquid Detergent. Molly Suds Liquid Laundry Detergent really caught my eye. It's designed specifically for sensitive skin and comes highly concentrated, giving you about 100 loads for around $29.08. If you want a detergent that's gentle yet effective, this is worth a serious look. What makes Molly Suds stand out is its simple, natural ingredients. It's 2x concentrated, which means you need less product per load, and it's high efficiency, HE compatible, so it works well in all machines. The Citrus Grove scent is refreshing without being overpowering, which is perfect if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. With over 3,000 units sold in the past month, people are definitely loving it. Now, some might complain about the price, thinking it's a bit steep for laundry detergent. Here's the thing though, the concentration means you'll use less, so it actually ends up being a better value in the long run. If you're looking for something that truly cares for your skin, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin and want a natural option that doesn't compromise on effectiveness. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option on the market. But honestly, for the quality, it's a fair price. Now, if the price of Molly's Suds bothered you, this next one might be more budget-friendly. Product number 2, Purex Baby Laundry Detergent. Next up is Purex Baby Laundry Detergent. It really caught my eye because it's ultra-concentrated and hypoallergenic, specifically formulated for little ones. Pricing isn't listed, but it's known for being budget-friendly. If you're looking for a gentle detergent for your baby's clothes, this one deserves your attention. With about 165 loads per bottle, this might just be the economical choice you're after. Parents rave about how it effectively cleans while being kind to delicate skin. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are making the switch. However, some users have mentioned that the scent is very mild, which they found a bit underwhelming. But here's the thing, if you prefer a scent that's not overpowering, this could actually be a plus. It's all about what you're looking for in a detergent. This is perfect for you if you have a baby and want something that ensures their clothes are clean without any harsh chemicals. Skip this one if you love strong scents in your laundry. For the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for additional fabric care. Product number 3, Molly Suds Fabric Softener. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Molly Suds Fabric Softener. This one caught my eye because it's not just a softener, it's vinegar-powered and infused with essential oils, priced around $21.49 for 50 loads. If you want to keep your clothes soft without harsh chemicals, this is worth considering. This softener fights static, reduces wrinkles, and helps to deodorize fabrics naturally. Its vinegar base ensures that it's gentle on sensitive skin while providing that soft feel we all want. Plus, the addition of essential oils gives your laundry a subtle, fresh scent. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among those who care about fabric care. Some users did mention that it doesn't always eliminate all static. Here's the thing though, if you live in a very dry climate, you might need to use a little more or consider another method for static control. For most, it's a small trade-off for the natural benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a natural softening solution that pairs well with sensitive skin. Skip this one if you need something that guarantees total static elimination. It's a bit pricier, but the natural ingredients make it worthwhile. Now, if you liked the idea of natural fabric care but want something even more eco-friendly, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Soap Nuts Laundry Detergent. Next up is a unique option, Soap Nuts Laundry Detergent. Priced at around $12.59, this organic and herbal solution is perfect for those seeking a truly natural approach. If you want to try something different that's safe for your family, this one could be interesting. Soap nuts are actually the shells of a berry that contains saponins, which naturally clean your clothes without the use of harsh chemicals. This means it's hypoallergenic and biodegradable, making it a great choice for sensitive skin. Many users have reported effective cleaning and a gentler impact on the environment. It's pretty cool that it's gaining popularity with eco-conscious buyers who care about what they use. However, some people find that soap nuts can be less effective on tough stains. Here's the thing though, if you're not dealing with heavily soiled laundry, this could be a fantastic option for you. It really shines in everyday cleaning scenarios. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a green alternative for your laundry routine. Skip this one if you need something strong against stubborn stains. At this price point, it's a nice investment in sustainability. Now, if you want something that's particularly safe for kids and pets, the next product is definitely worth your attention. Product number 5, LAVONS Liquid Laundry Detergent. Finally, we have the LAVONS Liquid Laundry Detergent. This one is friendly for sensitive skin and safe for kids and pets, priced at about $18.96 for 16.9 FL Oz. If you want a detergent that prioritizes safety without sacrificing cleaning power, this one might catch your interest. It's designed for those who want reassurance that their laundry routine is safe for the whole family. With a focus on quality, this option has been gaining attention in the natural detergent market. Some users have reported that it can be a bit pricey for the amount you get. Here's the thing though, if you value premium ingredients and safety for your loved ones, the price reflects that commitment. It's all about your priorities when it comes to laundry. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets and want peace of mind with your laundry. Skip this one if you're trying to stick to a strict budget. But for the quality, many find it worth the investment. So to wrap it up, we covered Molly's Suds liquid detergent for its effectiveness, Purex Baby for budget-conscious parents, Molly's Suds fabric softener for natural care, Soap Nuts for eco-friendliness, and LAVONS for safety with kids and pets. Each one has its strengths, so it really comes down to what matters most to you. Happy Laundry Day!